Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the valve cover off and loosen the cam cap, and hopefully it comes out.
All right, cool.
I don't want to break anything.
So basically, Nick's not here yet, and me and Javi. Oh, nobody's met you yet on the channel. That's Javi, resident Honda expert. If you need to know anything about Hondas, this knows everything.
Try to.
Encyclopedia. So what are we doing tonight, Javi? I know you don't want to talk too much.
But... changing these clapped out lifters. They've been clapped out for years. So J-Bo's can tune the car.
There you go. That's what we're doing tonight. So hopefully Nick will be here in a little bit. And we already ran into our first issue. Nick was like, oh, it'll only take an hour. Distributor's stuck.
I've never seen that before. That's the first. Like,
yeah, that bitch don't want to come out at all.
I'll find out why the distributor won't come out. The C-clip.
Oh, yeah, that'll do it.
Yeah,
the C-clip was sticking out.
C-clip rotated. Oh no, C-clip's out of place.
Oh.
Yeah.
That'll do it too.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's about to be a
bad day.
I'm not doing it for Nick.
You're not doing it for Nick?
No, I'm doing it for the car.
Doing it for the Honda. For the EG hatch. Yeah, f Nick. I mean, what? Got the LMAs out. The new problem is we are short one. They're literally Blox shorted us one.
Blox shorted you one LMA.
There were 8 in there. I counted them the other day.
No.
I counted them the other day myself. There's one in that box rolling around there. I counted 8 of them the other day.
Wait, we got 9 right here.
Really?
I didn't even notice that. We got 9 right there.
Hold on. Right there.
All right, just kidding. Haha, funny prank.
Ha ha ha, you got me.
So the LMAs weren't the issue.
So that wasn't the issue at all then. It was that rocker arm.
Yeah, remember? Because that's when I kept losing lash. Remember I adjusted what 3 times at one day?
I thought you said you needed some of these.
I don't think I need them. I put some two into my GSR. So
sweet. You got me.
Good prank.
Javi don't waste that damn time, does he?
Nah, dude. Every time I turn around, I'm like, I gotta record this. He moving fast, dude. He warned me though. He said he got to move fast because he's got a sick baby at home.
Sick baby, a girl's about to pop.
Oh, you want your muffin?
What?
Here, let me give you this. I saved it for you. I think you've been saving it for a while. So I made
this
sure.
muffin's been in the cars of coffee years.
Bro, dude, that thing is so hard.
Is that right?
What's up, Hunter?
You about ugly as hell.
I'll give you $20. You come over here and slap him.
You about ugly as hell. I really hope that noise is gone.
Me too, bro. What are you doing, sir?
Cam gears.
These are the ones from the other video we looked at. Those are nice little units. Skunk 2. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's been a long progress on this thing.
Spec.
I forgot my clips.
Drop your socket. Yeah, we about ready to fire this bitch back up. And it's still daylight. This is crazy. Usually it's dark by now. We're gonna cursed each other out.
The B series is easy.
All right.
Are those hitting the valve cover maybe? Put your finger right there. It feels like they're tapping the valve cover or something.
Oh yeah, the cam gears are rubbing the valve cover.
That's what it is. Those bolts are.
The valve bolts are rubbing the valve cover.
No self-clearance.
Yeah, or break off. Yeah, because you're saying the bolt, right? Yeah.
That's exactly what it is. When you push down on it, it got louder.
Yeah.
Or quieter. Yeah, it changed.
You can probably get the Dyno. I don't want to do that.
Yeah, that's quiet now.
Now your motor's quiet. But now you got bolt clearance issues.
You can see how they were hitting, barely hitting.
You see it on the bolts?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You see it on that bolt.
What do you think I need to do?
You know, it's got the valve cover.
Yeah, you can see it on that bolt. Damn. That sucks.
You did hit these tight, right? Okay.
Them LMAs are quiet though, boy.
Super quiet.
Yeah, that's a big difference. So those little bolts were hitting. So we unbolted, loosened the valve cover. Watch yourself, kid. And then literally pushed the valve cover over. And now we're talking about down. See if that fixes it.
Crank it up.
Dude,
You can get an in-car view cranking it up.
don't tell me what to do about that.
What'd
you say?
Bitch.
Stupid, lose my life.
Damn, that was easy fix.
Why does a Christmas mouse?
Hell yeah, boy. Good shit, Javi.
Copper Garage MVP.
Yeah, right? You get employee of the month.
Drive around. Put some miles on it, everything wears in.
Where's the idle at?
12.
Let me know when it's like a
Perfect.
It's quieter than the motors have been for a long time. Yeah, rock on fix that.
Yep. I mean, before, by now, that rock will be happening already.
It's instant.
Yep. But then
You set it, and then within like what, a couple minutes, it loosens itself up. It would never loosen up really. It would just loosen up enough to be out of spec.
Yeah, the nut will still be tight and everything, but for some reason it loses lash.
That's weird.
Yeah, I've never seen it before, though.
Now she ready to make some steam, boy.
Yeah.
J Mills, you're up, boy.
You're up, coach.
That would be good, because they're both
I'm at the body shop this afternoon. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me as I paint this Legend car for a buddy of mine. Just wants it back white. So yeah, I'll film this along the way and see how it goes. There's a lot of pollen outside, so turned out pretty good. As you can see on these parts, the body and everything turned out good. It's a race car now. Everything was prepped the same. If you look at this fender, I sprayed this fender and these two at the same time. This one is pretty much paint is even. This one had some kind of reaction here. It's like little fish eyes. Ran out of single stage because I didn't know I would have to fight this issue. So I'm gonna try to mix up a little bit of the single stage I have left and add a little bit of clear coat to it and see if I can get that to fill in. And yeah, we'll see what happens.
Can't see f***ing shit out of this thing.
I think it turned out pretty good considering it's just a Legends car, so I'm not like really stressing it, but still turned out pretty good. Plus I had to paint it in the shop instead of having to paint it in the booth, but wet the floors. Rained earlier, so it helped a little bit with the pollen. Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Jabba.